Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to cut a black background on a CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So you already have the video on my project, please take a look first. Okay, this video already have a black background on it. So how to remove the background, it's just by clicking the clip until it is in active mode, and after that take a look on these features on this pillows features here. Please scroll the features into the left side until we found a cut out here, and there will be three options of it. Either we want to remove, customize the cutout, or chroma key. So please just simply click remove the background since all of the background's color is black, and then after that we just need to wait until it's 100% removed the background from the video. Okay, after there is a information that the background is removed, just click done. And how to make sure that the black background is already removed, we can just by go into, okay, first just click back the clip until it is in non-active mode, and take a look on this bottom option and just scroll into the left side, and please click canvas, and now click color. Now pick the random color. Okay, now it's proof that the black background is already cut out. So that's all how the way you remove the black background on a CapCut. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.